Welcome to How to Internet. In this video I will explain you how to go live on TikTok. First, you need to have more than 1,000 followers to use the live function on TikTok. Do you have less than 1,000 followers? This tutorial won't work. When you have 1,000 followers or more, follow these steps. First, open the TikTok app and press the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. Then press the live button on the bottom of the screen. Now you can add a title to your live stream. Also, you can select a topic for your live, so you get views from people who are interested in that topic. You can also support non-profit organizations to help them do their research. Also, you can now set up your camera settings and enhance your face by adding filters, like whiter teeth or fake lipsticks. Also, you can add some normal filters. You can also use TikTok lenses to entertain your viewers. And here you can directly send people a link to your live stream so your friends will see them directly. In the settings, you can set up even more things for your TikTok live. You can set up the mute time for followers that are annoying in your chat. And also you can set up some accounts to moderate your chat. You can also turn off live gifts. And you can set up to be visible in the ranking list if you want that. You can turn off comments if you don't want comments on your live. And the keyword filter lets you choose words that can be used in the chat. After setting up your live, you can press Go Live. A countdown will start and you are live. Here on this view you can swipe to change the filters. On the bottom left you can press the button to go live with another host or viewer from your live. In the More menu you can change the topic or add your own comments to your live. When you are done live streaming, you can press the turn off button to turn off your live. After you have stopped your TikTok live, you will see a live summary with some statistics about your live stream. You can also replay your stream to watch it back. To submit your live stream, give it a star rating and press submit. And that is how to go live on TikTok. I hope this tutorial has helped. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye!